All right, what up, y'all? We here, evening time. It's been raining for like 6 days straight. It's been cloudy. That sun over there is a fluke. It's probably not gonna stay out. Batteries have been low, so we here to hook up a backup for the backup to the backup. Here, let me show y'all. Max Speeding Rods sent us a 5,000 watt inverter generator backup. Even though it's gas and we all solar, backup. So we're gonna get into it. It's got all the info on the side. Yeah. Let me turn it real quick. Just so y'all can kind of see the specs. Plug socket. We got a straw. I think that's for
new tool alert.
New tool alert. And so it comes with a screwdriver. Looks like a
T
rod of some sort.
It's
and
a
then
T thing, you know, and then this thing.
Can you get it up out of there?
Probably not. Didn't you just say it was heavy?
Man, see if you could do what you need to do, man. Yeah, put your back into it. Yeah. Can't have no woman on the homestead can't work. Oh my goodness. It's lightweight too. If you could pick it up.
Rip me off the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Been working out.
It didn't have a weight on there, did it?
Clean the air filter and cleansing solvent every 50 hours. Every 10 hours in dusty conditions. Where to add the oil right there.
Grab this oil.
Please do not use an humid environment. That's where we live.
In Texas. It's hot.
Please do not smoke when refueling. Please do not spill when refueling. Please shut down the generator before refueling.
Oh, that is pretty light. Gas goes here. Can I put the gas in yet?
No.
Man, let's get on with it.
Do you want to know what all the pieces are, or you want me to just move on?
No, you can go ahead and say what they are. And actually, we can open this up because we haven't dealt with this either. And y'all, just if y'all are wondering, we're not going to talk about this today, but EcoWorthy sent this out for you boy to test out. 48 volt 100 amp battery charger. Boom.
Okay, you ready?
I've been ready. Let's go.
I'm trying to understand the control panel, but if you want me to just move on, I can.
No, you can figure it out. Of course, I just want you to move on. I want to put gas in it. I want to
put oil in it.
Press a button, or put the gas, put the oil, press a button, and then.
All right, here we go. Add engine oil.
About time. Now we talking about something. That's the oil spot?
Yeah.
It's closed. We're going to open that thing.
Remove the oil dipstick and use the oil funnel to add 0.47 quarts of oil. Do not overfill.
Bow.
Check engine oil level before use and add as needed. The engine is equipped with a low oil shutoff when the oil level in the crankcase falls below the threshold level.
All right. Yeah, it's running out. Which is what I saw. It's supposed to kind of run out. Wow.
It just goes halfway. It went over the thing.
All right, we good to go there. What's next? Gas?
Yeah. You see it?
It's right there. You see how close that is?
Yeah, but it says the red ring. So you're fine. You're good.
So leave it like it is.
Yeah. I think so.
All right.
Start the generator. Turn the 3-in-1 switch to the choke position. Oh, look, it says run first before you get choked.
You gonna choke?
Well,
yeah.
you know.
Oh my goodness. Put your back into.
I'll try again.
He was almost there. Okay, let me see before you flood it. There you go. There you go, ma'am. All right, let me set this other stuff up real quick. I told y'all I was gonna hook this EcoWorthy EC100 so that I could connect it to my bus bars and get my batteries back full. So yeah, we want this closest to the edge as possible. All right, y'all, real quick, got this thing hooked up. That's how we're gonna tell how many watts. And here is my watt cycle battery that's sitting currently at 2%. So I don't know if y'all saw that, but I'm going to show you on my phone that is also 2%. Plug this in. I switched that out, y'all, so it'll fit for the one that came with the unit. I switched that head out to a 3-prong, and I'm gonna just turn it to run since we had it on a little bit ago. That's on, and then oh, that kicked on by itself. If I turn it on, looks like it's ramping up. Okay, and the sound of that is going up as well. 8 amps. So what if I said enter? Oh, I was playing with this earlier. I just stuck it to 32 amps. But what if I put it on like 36 and say enter? I shouldn't have touched most of it. Okay. It looks like it's rocking slowly. So let's see what it can pull. This number, that, well, it's at 1,000 now. Okay. Let's see what that ends up pulling, y'all. But again, that runs right out of that into the bus bar for my system. And that battery, it is being charged, y'all. Yes. Just so y'all can see, it's charging, bringing in 1,796 watts, 1,800 watts. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna push this up a limit just to see. $38 amps. One more. 39. Oh, it turned up some. Looks like it's pushing 51 volts. 39 amps. And it's holding at 1910 going in, but here it says 1992. I don't know, y'all, but that percent's rising pretty quick. And I'm gonna leave it do its thing. The percentage is rising quick. Everything is doing what it's supposed to do. It's clean energy going in, and it's doing its thing, y'all. So we're gonna let that run, get my battery up, the backup to the backup to the backup. We're gonna put some more stuff on the screen for max speeding rods, 5,000 watt inverter, so y'all can get all the info, and it's gonna be a link in the description and all that good stuff. Hey, give me a minute, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like before we close this video out and before it gets too doggone dark out here. All right, y'all, did some quick yard work, but came to check back. But it's been rolling, this touchscreen, and it's still hitting with a constant 2,200 watts. And this thing is at 24%. Y'all, it's been, I don't even know how long it's been, but I'm gonna show y'all on the app when it loads where we at. So 25, and it's got a draw of 2048. So There we go. And I don't know what the time was from the last one, but that thing says basically in 1.9 hours, so a couple of hours, that battery will be full. I don't know how long that gas is gonna last in it, but it's lasting. So we'll see what we got in a minute. What you doing?
Cutting this side since it's low enough.
And then we knocked back some more grass on that side. But what's most important
Is the generator went out. Yeah, you probably need to like check the parameters and stuff. I don't think you did all that.
to figure out how the thing works. I mean, 5,000 watts, however many watts I asked for it to bring in, the battery can charge at 100 amps. We were charging at 40 something.
Right, so that's what I'm saying. So you probably can adjust that
I did adjust it,
to
40 something.
and not 100.
I'm scared. I ain't never used it before. I knew we would be out. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna throw some more gas in there real quick though, and see what's up, just for checking it purposes. It's hard to see it, but it's at 40. It's 40%. All right, before I start that thing, y'all, we're gonna throw that information on the screen like we said. We're gonna get up out of here. She played too much.
Bye.
We done, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Till the next one. Peace.